Enjoy a mini twist on classic foosball with this 40-inch tabletop foosball table. The Sport Squad FX40 is small but mighty. Each pre-assembled chrome-plated steel rod features ergonomic rubber handles for a comfortable and sturdy grip. The 3.75-inch tall plastic players are sturdy enough to hold up to even the most competitive plays. Weighing just 15 pounds and with rubber padded legs for extra protection, this game is easy and safe to bring to your next barbecue, birthday party, or any gathering. The Sport Squad FX40 40-inch compact mini tabletop foosball table is a must-have for any foosball enthusiast. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Durable plastic players. Dual-colored plastic players have been strategically molded to improve accuracy when passing and shooting. The player formation features a 3-man goalie design for intense defense. Number 2. Protective bottoms. Each FX40 table leg features a protective foam cushion bottom to protect any surface from scratches and damages. Number 3. Manual scorer. Slidable scoring systems on each end help players keep track of who is winning the game. Number 4. Unplug and play. Enjoy fast-paced play on this compact tabletop foosball table. Stay active and spend quality time with family and friends. Bring it to a family gathering, birthday party, or tailgate event. Dims, 40 inches length by 20 inches width by 8 inches height and weighs 15 pounds. Number 5. Foosball players are pre-assembled on the rods for faster table assembly. This classic version of table soccer is fun for all ages. Chrome-plated steel rods are ideal for swift shots while the rubber-grooved handles enable a strong, stable grip. Number 6. Superior MDF design is built to withstand competitive and convenient play. The FX40 foosball table includes 2 goal boxes with ball returns. The soccer table also features non-marking rubber pads to protect all your table surfaces. Number 7. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Sport Squad listens and learns from your feedback to create quality game room equipment for kids and adults. If you're not 100% satisfied or have product suggestions, our customer service team is available to help. Number 8. Sport Squad, bringing family and friends together. As an American-based company, Sport Squad brings new innovation to playing indoors and outdoors by introducing affordable, quality sports, lawn, tailgate, carnival, and game room games to market. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.